Hello students, in this video we are going to study about rational numbers and specifically properties of multiplication. Okay, so write down the first property, and that is the closure property. Closure property. Second, we have commutativity. Then we have associativity. Then we have distributive. Okay, so this is what we are going to study, and there are two more that I'll be explaining you. So closure property under multiplication is the product or multiplication of any two rational numbers is always a rational number. Example, if we write down a upon b multiplied by c upon d, what is going to be? It's going to be a into c, b into d. So we will have ac upon bd. Okay, so this is closure property. Now commutativity means what? I'll directly write down the equation wherein a and b are two rational numbers. We'll just write it down, where a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers then under commutativity, what will happen? A upon b multiplied by c upon d, this is going to remain the same. This is equals to c upon d. c upon d पहले लिखते हैं और a upon b बाद में, तो भी आंसर सेम रहेगा. ठीक है, एसोसिएटिविटी पे आते हैं. a upon b, c upon d and e upon f are three rational numbers, then a upon b multiplied by c upon d equals to e upon f. Okay, this is again going to remain the same. This will be a upon b multiplied by c upon d into e upon f. Okay, so if you see the bracket, first we have taken first two terms in the bracket and RHS में सेकेंड एंड थर्ड टर्म को ब्रैकेट में रखा है, तो भी आंसर जो है ना वो सेम आएगा. ठीक है, सो एसोसिएटिविटी अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन इट होल्ड्स. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Similarly, if we have a upon b, c upon d and e upon f are three rational numbers, then what will happen? Distributive. Now pay attention over here. A upon b multiplied by c upon d plus e upon f. Okay, now what will happen? First this term will be multiplied with this term and then with this term. Okay, so it will be a upon b multiplied by c upon d, बीच में प्लस का साइन आएगा, a upon b multiplied by e upon f. ठीक है, now what we can write? We can write ac upon bd plus ae upon bf. Okay, so this is all about multiplication, and we have one more, that is multiplicative identity. So just make a note of that also. Now I'm writing down here, that is multiplicative identity. Okay, and it is 1. So if I multiply A upon B with 1, what I will get? I will get the same answer as A upon B. So here 1 is what? Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay, so I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.